Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Santanu. Today we are going to learn about HashSet. In the definition, it is saying that HashSet is a collection that stores unique element. Now, what is the meaning of that? If I give you some element like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, it will take only the unique element, means the result will be first it will take 1, then 2, 3, 4, again 1 is coming, so it will not take 1. After that 2 is coming, so 2 is already stored here, so it will not take 2, and 3 is also stored here, so it will not take 3. Again 2 is coming, so it will not take 2. So the final answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will learn how to declare HashSet and how to do operation on that. For doing operation on a HashSet, first we have to import this line, import java.util.star. Then we have to declare the HashSet. Here we have to write the data type. In this line, we have declared the HashSet, and the name of the HashSet is set. Now, if we want to add the elements into the set, then one method is there, add. First we are adding 1, then 2, then 4. Now we will print the values. Here for printing the value, simply write here set, means the variable name. Now if I run the program, you can see that 1, 2, 4. These 3 elements we have added and it is showing the result. I told you that HashSet will take only the unique element. Let's verify it. So I am adding 2 again, and I am adding 5. So if I run the program, you can see that 1, 2, 4 and 5 is printing. It is not printing 2 again. There is another method for knowing the size of the HashSet. The method is size. It's giving the size is 4. So we have learned how to declare HashSet and how to print it and how to know the size of the HashSet. Now another method is there, contents. This contents method is used to know whether any element is present in the HashSet or not. Here we can see that 5 is present in this HashSet. If we want to check whether 5 is present or not, then we can use this method. Set.contents, and we have to write 5. If 5 is present, then it will print true. You can see that here it is printing true. Here in this set 7 is not present, so if we check with 7, then it will give false. Here for 7 it is giving false. Now if we want to remove any element from the HashSet, for that there is one method called remove. In this set, the elements are 1, 2, 4 and 5. So now we want to delete 2. For that, we have to write here set.remove 2. Now, if I print the set, you can see that here 1, 4, 5. Previously it was 1, 2, 4, 5. Now 2 is removed. Till now we have learned how to declare a hash set, how to print the hash set, how to get the size of the hash set, and how to remove any element from the hash set. Now we will learn about iterator. So what is iterator? It is used to iterate the element stored in the set. Means in this hash set we can see that 1, 4, 5 are stored. So iterate this element, we can use iterator. So first we have to declare the iterator. For that we have a keyword iterator and we have to take a name. So we have declared the iterator. In this iterator there is one method named next. This method is used to denote the next element present in the hash set. So if I print here, you can see that it is giving output as 1. If I write the same statement again, it will give 4, and again if we write the same statement, it will give 5. So you can see that with the help of next method we can iterate the set. Here another method is there, HashNext. This method is used to check whether any element is present at the next or not. So you can see that already we have iterated 1, 4, 5. Now we are at the end of the hash set. If I now print it.HashNext, it will give false. You can see that it is giving false because no element is there. Already we have iterated till 5. So if I comment out this line and if I print now, then it will give true because we haven't iterated yet. It is giving true. So now if I want to print all the element those are present in hash set, we can use a loop and we can use this HashNext method. Here I am taking a while loop. Now you can see that all the element will be printed 1, 4 and 5. So we have learned how to declare a hash set, how to print it, how to get the size and contents method and iterator. Now if I ask you, I will give you an array and you have to tell me how many unique elements are present in this array. So you can easily solve this with the help of set. Let's solve this problem. Here first I am taking an array. So now we have to take a hash set first. Now we have to take all the elements from the array and we have to store it into the set. And here we are storing the array element. So now if I print the set, you can see that here 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see that here we gave 5 2 times and 4 2 times, but in the output you can see there is only 1 time 4 and 1 time 5. So today we have learned about HashSet. In the next video we will solve some question based on HashSet. Thank you.